Okay, match frame and reverse match frame. So you're on a clip in your sequence and you want to see the source clip and how much of it is being used. You select a clip, select sequence, match frame or F. That brings up the exact clip that is in the sequence, but the original one with the media that's outside that you're not using and the media that's being used. So what if you want to do the opposite and you're anywhere in the sequence, you want to find out where this is in your sequence and jump to it quickly. You select what's being used there and go sequence reverse match clip. So that is being used exactly right here. But we have a trouble here. There's a little bit of a glitch. If we're outside what's being used and you select sequence reverse match frame, it doesn't bring you anywhere in the sequence, so this could be a little bit tough. So what we want to do maybe is use an alternative method would be to use the video usage tab. So this tells you if a clip is or is not being used. So even if you're outside the usable area that is being used in the sequence, you know that some of this is being used. So you can be out here and click on video usage. You want to find out where in the timeline that clip is. You go like that, click there, and it is being used right there. So if we go here to the beginning, you know that is the same clip.